Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the AKIYO O2 mini projector, which supports 1080p and it works with Android 11 and auto Trape correction. The AKIYO 2 or O2 smart projector with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 is a small projector with 180 degrees rotatable compatibility possibilities with HDMI, smartphone, USB, laptop, and of course, for example, PlayStation 5. The O2 intelligent projector runs on the latest Android television system and allows an access to over 8,000 apps such as Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video via Wi-Fi. We can also download other apps from the Play Store. We can so enjoy over 500,000 movies without an additional stick. The O2 projector offers an exclusive control modes via mouse, remote control, or app. Multiple control options ensures a more comfort and more flexible operation. In addition to the remote control, we can easily control the projector with Transcreen. TRANSCREEN. No more worrying about lost remotes. And the O2 projector has a unique 0.8 to 1 short distance ratio. Already at the 0.6 meters distance, a 35 inches image is created. At 3.5 meters, a huge 200-inch screen will be possible. Combined with the 50% zoom function, we can enjoy a cinema experience with a large picture even in cramped spaces such as motorhomes, bedrooms, or on the campsites. And the O2 projector uses the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology. And it's compatible with a 5 GHz network and a 2.4 GHz network. And it offers a smooth, delay-free streaming. The built-in Bluetooth 5.2 dual function supports audio input and output, so we can simply connect the Bluetooth headphones for a better sound or connect the projector to our smartphone as a speaker. And the O2 projector is designed to rotate 180 degrees and breaks traditional projector boundaries. We rotate the stand and projector on the wall, ceiling, or even on the screen. Thanks to automatic vertical trapezoidal correction, so we can get a perfect rectangle in just a second. Easy focus, the sharp with the snap for razor sharp images. And it works easy. And this is the most compact body with the most complete function. It meets all our projector needs. With the latest Android 11 operation system. Over 8,000 apps and millions of movies videos are directed from the System App Store and the Play Store without the need of an expensive streaming television stick. That's either for movie nights with the fam. And multiple control modes. It provides a unique mouse control, remote control mode, and an app control mode. If we can't get this, no problem. Short distance ratio included. It recommends a projector distance of 0.6 to 3.5 meters to instantly project the image from 35 up to 200 inches. We enjoy home cinema experience. And the automatic key correction works well. And 180 degrees rotation works well. The zoom, okay. Next generation Wi-Fi 6, that's nice. And two-way Bluetooth, okay. And even a lot of protection modes. We use advanced diffuser reflection images and blue light filters technology to provide a softer light source compared to direction lights. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!